This is a 2008 Volvo XC90, a great fit and finish. It features a 3.2-liter six-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include an air suspension, a glass-powered moonroof, a low-tire pressure indicator, Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, an equalizer, leather seats, an independent rear suspension, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, halogen headlights, air conditioning, and this vehicle has fewer than 46,000 miles on the odometer. This Volvo has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.